What if I told you the career you've spent years building could be transformed before this decade ends? This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now, faster than almost anyone predicted. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing technology, it's rewriting the future of work itself. From hospitals to classrooms, from offices to factories, no industry will escape this transformation. Some careers will evolve beyond imagination, while others could disappear forever. The real question isn't whether AI is coming, because it's already here. The real question is, will your job still exist the way you know it today? Doctors, lawyers, engineers, teachers, every profession is entering a completely new era. For the first time in history, intelligence itself is becoming a tool anyone can use. The winners won't be those who resist AI. They'll be the ones who learn to work with it first. Those who adapt will unlock opportunities previous generations could only dream about. Those who ignore this revolution may find themselves falling behind, faster than they ever expected. History has always rewarded those who embrace change, and this time will be no different. This isn't the end of human work. It's the beginning of a new partnership between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. The biggest career revolution in modern history has already begun, and there is no turning back. So before we explore every profession, let's begin where this transformation starts: the modern workplace. The future of work is already changing, and this is only the beginning. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to AI Horizon, because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you. I'll see you in the next documentary.